So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can create a group on Google Pay application so that you can split the expenses over there. So all you have to do is to open the Google Pay application in your smartphone. Once you open it, you need to click on the search bar at the most top of the screen. Click on it and scroll down. You'll find an option of new group over here. You can see, just click on this option and you can select the contacts with which you want to create a group. You can select multiple contacts for creating the group. Once you select the contact and create the group will look like this, where you can click on the split expense button at the below of the screen so that you can split any expense you want. If I want to split the 500 rupees expense, just select 500 and click on the next. All the notification has been delivered to the group members so that they can pay you their bid. So that's a very quick and interesting tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.